When students talk about engineering careers, one industry that always captures their imagination is automotive. From high-performance sports cars to next-generation electric vehicles, students are fascinated by the speed, design, and the technology behind these machines that we drive every day. But behind every vehicle is the world of advanced manufacturing that makes all that possible.
Today's automotive and EV industries require incredible precision. Every component must meet strict quality standards, whether it's a gearbox housing, motor components, battery enclosures, or structural part. And that's creating exciting opportunities for skilled engineers, CNC programmers, machine operators, manufacturing engineers, and automation specialists.
The automotive industry is evolving faster than ever. Electric vehicles, lightweight materials, smart manufacturing, and digital production systems are transforming how vehicles are designed and built. As a result, companies are looking for talent that understands both engineering and modern manufacturing technologies.
This is where machines like PVM 1165 makes a difference. It gives students exposure to industrial scale machining, similar to what is used throughout automotive manufacturing. The machine's rigid construction, large working envelope, and precision capabilities help learners understand how complex automotive components are produced. It allows students to experience real manufacturing practices while developing skills that industry demands. Modern automotive manufacturing isn't just about cutting metal. It's powered by digital technologies. Today, manufacturers use CAD/CAM systems, simulation softwares, smart controls, automation, data analytics, and connected production environments. These technologies help improve quality, productivity, efficiency across the entire factory.
And these are the exact technologies students will encounter when they begin their careers. Whether they work in global automotive manufacturers or EV startups, tier 1 suppliers, or the advanced manufacturing companies, the foundation starts with understanding how the products are actually made.
Automotive industry is entering into a new era. Electric mobility, battery technology, autonomous systems, and smart factories are creating new career paths every year. Companies need professionals who can combine manufacturing knowledge with modern technology, and practical exposure is one of the best ways to explore those opportunities.
At Philips Education, our mission is simple: to help the students connect classroom learning with real industrial applications. Through collaborations like these, the performance series becomes more than a machine. It becomes a platform where future engineers can experience the technologies shaping modern manufacturing. Every vehicle on the road begins as an idea, and every great idea needs skilled people to bring it to life. By understanding the manufacturing, technology, and industry requirements, students can prepare themselves for the future of automotive and EV innovation. That's where Performance Series PVM 1165 helps create the connection between the education and the industry.